Hello, you beaut.
So she's such a girly, and I said to the ladies, Mangimbon.
So this is actually like a window effect. So fun fact, it's not as dark as my camera lens makes it seem. It's like 10 minutes before 7 o'clock. But yeah, I ain't complaining, the view is stunning. I'm driving through the market, man. Working class. This is the heart of it. This is like the heart of transport in Durban. I'm not sure about the lane I chose, but yeah, we're freestyling this life. This is a phakathi. I did this. Sunny Bonani! Goeiemorgen! Greetings, a very good morning to you. My name is Nkosi, and this channel is Mgwaqo Creates. It's a beautiful, yes, that's my line, but it's a beautiful Monday morning, and I'm here to set the tone for the week. I'm about to own this ish. I'm about to show up for myself this week. I had a chat with a friend of mine, Izolo, and she was telling me about her weight loss progress, and it amped me up so much. Ngikumbule all the promises that I made to myself, and I also just remembered, Uguti, before I went home this weekend, I did want to go to the beach, so I'm starting my week Baby Strand. Kaze kwamnandi ukuba girl, kaze kwamnandi ukuba mina. I'm so grateful, I'm so happy. It's just 7 o'clock. It just hit 7 o'clock. I'm in the middle of the Durban CBD. Go crazy. Go wow. Taxi gymnastics. Don't ask me what's being happy, but either way, I took it all in and it amped me up. So amped. I'm gonna do a little run, do a coffee stop, get the day started. Strong. I even have a delivery on my way back home. Delivering a handbag. 2 handbags for my customer Engamtole garage. She works at the garage, at the Indian garage in my neighborhood, and I've been so grateful for her repeat purchases. So namhlanje I'm gonna make a stop for Bishifta Alexeni, and I've got a gift for her as well, just to say danke ngiyabonga. Yeah, let's do this. Join me. Spanking. Yeah, 4 lunch. I love this part of Durban. Hello, everything. Hello. Oh, how is everything? Let's go. In other news, I dream about waking up and having a swim in the ocean like those humans. I know the school that offers it, and it's on my to-do list for the year. Ngekuphela unyaka ngingakazi deep in that ocean, like morning swim type of day, because I've swam. Coast life living for me definitely has that in mind. When I see them, and the one morning I was doing a Saturday run, Gabona kids doing a drill. I recorded them, but then I realized so there's a tease of them where I didn't show their faces, but yes, says love this, dream about it, can't wait to do it. And I'll pick up my road back to the Midlands. I go to Midma. Hey Midma. You owe me. I owe you.
What, tea coffee or one coffee and one ice cream?
She wasn't here. She is new. Don't remember ever seeing her. Stunning. Hello, Durban. Just in case you weren't sure where I be. City of Durban. Got a banana, my dog. Hello, you beaut. Yellow. How stunning. The beautiful beach, Durban. This is us turning around. Where's this Mabaida? The background. There she is. There. There's the beautiful Mabaida. Mabita Stadium. Oh, hello Mabaida.
What, tea coffee or one coffee and one ice cream?
Hello. Siyabonga. Siwumphakathi. Siyabonga for the beach. Oh, si happy. Siyabonga. Trying to run slow. But also, if it's Durban views that you are hungry and yearning for, guess what, baby? The right place. Nkosi will provide. Just remember to like, subscribe, and drop me a heart in the comments. Azish. Ever noticed the sign? Currie Road Trail. Okay, interesting. This morning is about views. Quick stop for coffee and views. So it's closed. It is very much closed. What a bummer. Okay. Cool coffee spot. Hash coffee. And you get to see beautiful views of Durban. Kuvaliwe. Okay. Let's go get a sneak peek of the views. And hit the road. Gitumele. Kotaksenan. As the masses, we just want to say siyabonga. We are happy, we are grateful. Siyahamba kaya now. Actually, dropping off that bag. I have 2 deliveries. This beauty. As well as this nana. How stunning. And then I've got a gift for her to say thank you. dadewethu yo 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 khona nokwakhe ngishithile nzoku lengubo I'm not good with gear.
She's such a girly, and I said to the ladies, you just went and came back with it. You know?
Of the pop-up market, there's
Meals.
how dope. So this is actually like a window effect. Okay, let me move back so you kind of get it. If you lift your eyes up,